Hello, Stephen Paul with Fritzy Brothers. Today I'm going to show you how to make a fishing pole. 3 balloons. I'm going to use an orange balloon, a yellow balloon, and a black balloon. The yellow balloon will be the fishing pole. You want to blow it all the way up to the end. Burp the balloon, leave a little bit of air out. Tie the balloon. Nice long fishing pole. Next I'm going to make the fish, which is going to be an orange balloon. Be an orange roughy. Roll it all the way up to the end. Burp the balloon, let a little air out. Take the ends and have them meet, and go ahead and twist those together about 3 or 4 inches. That'll be the tail. Just go ahead and take one of those and pull it through. That'll lock it in place. Then come up to where the lips will be, right about there. About 1.5 inches on each side. Go ahead and twist that. And you could go ahead and twist that again. Making the lips really lippy, 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 lippy. And now for the black balloon. Go ahead and wrap it right around the lips. Several times so that it'll be locked in place. Then go ahead and take the other end, tie it to the fishing pole. And then I'd like to make a little bit of a handle here. So just take the balloon right about 6-7 inches. Go ahead and twist that. Pull it through the handle, the reel I should say. And there you have the fish on the fishing pole. Get the net, it's a big one! The fish on the fishing pole. It also can be doubled as a fishing hat. Take this part here, put it in there, and stick it right on the kid's head. Click the like button, make a comment, and subscribe to Fritzy Brothers.